She morphs from a responsible driver to literal hell on wheels.
Mackenzie Shirilla murdered my son, Dominic, as well as Davion.
I'm so deeply sorry. I hope one day you can see I would never let this happen or do it on purpose.
He controlled that car the whole way.
He was using a friend's phone to record an incident where Mackenzie came to their house and was demanding access to the house.
From being a seemingly privileged teenager active on social media and enjoying high school life, to making the biggest mistake of her life, Mackenzie Shirilla was a teenage girl doing many of the things teenagers would do. By all accounts, she and her boyfriend seemed to have it all, but did they? And if they didn't, what would the sweet teenage girl do to make sure that they did? In July 2022, 17-year-old Mackenzie was driving with her boyfriend, Dominic Russo, and their friend, Davion Flanagan, when suddenly, the car swerved, rapidly accelerating to nearly 100 miles per hour, with no braking. The vehicle then suffered a catastrophic impact with a building, and in the tragic aftermath, Dominic and Davion were gone. Fortunately, Mackenzie survived, but unknown to her, life was about to teach her a lesson she would never forget.
Progress in Alameda, car into a building, two are deceased in the vehicle, daughter's driving. Your daughter's okay, she's talking to us. Right? Your daughter's alive. She was driving me, okay?
Who was that? Jacob and who?
I think, what's the name you said?
Dom. Oh my God. What? Dom is dead? Dom is dead? Is that what you're saying to me?
All eyes were on Mackenzie as prosecutors claimed she intentionally crashed because she wanted to end her toxic relationship with Dominic. They even presented evidence of her volatile past, including an alleged threat to crash with Dominic just weeks prior. Each new detail brought them closer to a shocking conclusion. But let's face it, could she have done something like that because she was heartbroken?
Exactly what I mean. You don't know exactly what I mean. You're gonna come open this door right now, or there's gonna be a serious problem.
We learned from Dominic's mother that there was an incident about 2 weeks before the crash where Dominic had called his mother. He was in a car with Mackenzie on Interstate 71. He was telling his mother that Mackenzie was driving erratically and threatening to crash the car.
What do you know?
She smokes a lot of weed. I don't know her like doing or like bad things. I know because I've never seen her do this, and I never like know if she actually for sure does it. I just heard from other people. They seem completely normal.
These were bitter moments for Mackenzie, whose trials were intense, filled with emotional testimony that made the court wonder how a young woman could do such a terrible thing. But just when it appeared as though there was nothing more to the case, Mackenzie's defense argued for innocence. They blamed her medical episode, citing her postural orthostatic tachycardia syndrome diagnosis. This made people start asking if she was totally in control of her actions or just a victim of her own body. Following this, her lawyers contended her illness caused her to lose consciousness. It was now a case of intent versus unforeseen circumstances. Surprisingly, they were on the brink of a breakthrough, but fate and other forces conspired against them. While the prosecution's evidence of intentional acceleration of the case was powerful, the jury faced an impossible choice: accident or murder. Then the jury delved deeper into the details of the car crash. How the issue went down might surprise you. In August 2023, the verdict found Mackenzie guilty on all counts, including 4 counts of murder. Mackenzie was sentenced to 15 years to life in prison.
2 young men are dead. Their deaths were horrible, terrifying, and tragic. So she's sentenced on count 2, the murder of Davion Flanagan, 15 years to life. She's sentenced on count 1, the murder of Dominic Russo, 15 years to life, to be served concurrent to each other.
But just when things seemed like they had ended, the real fight began. Mackenzie's new legal team pushed for a new trial, presenting fresh medical evidence they believed was missed. They even claimed a crucial piece of the puzzle was overlooked. Not only that, they claimed that her previous attorney failed to present vital information about the case. But could the new evidence change everything for Mackenzie? However, just when they thought they were making headway, the Ohio Supreme Court declined to hear her direct appeal. If you like this video, kindly leave a comment and subscribe to this channel to see more crime videos like this. Thank you for watching.